unboxing today, man. Let's see what we got. It's like, man, every time it's like hot outside, it make you wanna like go outside or something sometimes or some shit. I don't know why, but it just makes you wanna go outside, bro. But we probably going outside today anyway, something like that. Probably going out. Check out the hat too, though. That's just spot, right? Yeah. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Man, I would be like, man, sometimes, what if we could fly something, man? I be wanting to fly sometimes, man, or like teleport, like, just do something, man. Something sweet. Real talk, man. Something sweet, man. Box, top of the jump, man. Yeah, right there. This box fire though. I like the box. This ain't fire. So where you can get them from? Real talk, and use my discount code, please. Use my discount code, man. You guys, this is how I get paid. You hear me? So like this discount code right here, use this, please. You hear me? For 15% off. Real talk, son. Real talk, son. But, yeah. Just how the box look, man. How they look, man. Inside. You know what's up. Let's go. You hear me? Things fire. Back of the Jones too. Air Jordan in black. You hear me? Air Jordan in black on the Jones, man. You know what I'm saying? Bottom. Yeah, bottom, man. These things fire too. Real talk, son. I used to have the Black Hat 3s. But now I be looking at them like, nah, I don't really. I ain't jacking them for real no more. You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, I ain't jacking them. But, yeah. Real talk, son. These jinx, they wet. These water. And it's like, when like you playing a game with fours, you gotta bring a different type of swag with these, bro. Real talk. You gotta bring your A game with these. These ain't no regular numbers. These, I feel like 4 is one of the best numbers. You hear me? Like, these one of the best numbers. Real talk. Real talk, son. But yeah, man. So how they look together, tight jump. Hold on. Let me get a better angle too. Yeah, man, y'all gotta go to mostlye. The link in my description below, man. These jinx fire. I don't know why. These water, bro. These water. You want a pair of these, man? Tap on the link below, man. Real talk. And if the link ain't like lit up for you to just click on it and go to it, man, just type it in, man. mostlye.vip, man. Real talk, son. Like, these things hard, bro. Like, y'all gotta get these, bro. You gotta get them. And we out anyway. I ain't